Happy Motivational Monday, where we deep clean, declutter, and reorganize one small space a day, Monday through Friday. Today is different. It's the week after the holidays. So the Monday one I'm going to show you is going to be a little bit different. But then the rest of the week, hopefully will be cleaning inspiration to help you stay caught up little by little through the holidays. Let me turn around and show you what we're doing for the week of the Monday through Friday after Thanksgiving. It is the Monday after Thanksgiving, like I said. So instead of trying to schedule to deep clean, declutter, reorganize anything today, basically all I did was schedule myself some, what I call scheduling some grace for myself, and I'm just going to focus on laundry, dishes, and the bathrooms, which are our usual daily Monday cleaning. But instead of doing like anything on top of that, because I also went to the store today. We try not to do any grocery shopping over Thanksgiving weekend, which means we did run out of a few things that we'll need between now and the next Friday that we go shopping. So I already had that to do. We already had trash to take off. We already had some extra things that we were doing. So cleaning wise, I scheduled myself some grace to just focus on getting caught up on the laundry from the weekend. So like I said for yesterday's, this week is our normal, what a normal cleaning week looks for us, for like what we do on a normal everyday basis. There's no extra cleaning this week. It's just what we would normally do for our normal chore chart to get through. So on Mondays, we clean the bathroom, laundry, and dishes from the weekend. Day 2 today, all I worry about extra other than like other weekly or working through the kids' chore charts, and of course every day is laundry and dishes, but Monday is like a bulk of getting caught up on laundry and dishes. Day 2, all we're doing is sheets today. I only wash the comforters like every couple weeks or so. They don't really need it if your kids are sleeping under the sheets like they're supposed to. If I feel like they need it, then I'll wash them, but normally I just wash the sheets every week. So day 2 today is gonna be sheets. If I don't get to them today because our shower schedule was a little off from Thanksgiving weekend, then I will do them tomorrow. But there's actually not a lot more to do tomorrow either. So, but this is like what a normal week would look like for us. So day 2 today, just doing sheets. Day 3, I start out by rechecking the rest of the week. So remember, day 1, we only focus on laundry, dishes, and bathrooms. Laundry and dishes to get caught up from the weekend and to just get a good start on the rest of the week. Bathrooms first thing Monday morning, because I mean they just need to go scrub down every Monday morning. Tuesday, all I focus on for other than the kids' chore charts is beds, like washing bedding and getting beds made. It's Wednesday, day 3. The only thing that we focus on is like we do the mirrors in the bathrooms, and we do like the glass tables and doors and anything like that that needs finished. We try to make Wednesday easier because usually Wednesday's a busier day for us. So we try to make it a little bit easier. And it allows us to go back through and say, what didn't we finish from day 1 and day 2? Also on day 3, why we split up and do the bathroom mirrors on Wednesday and the bathrooms on Monday is sometimes the bathroom cleaners have bleach in them and we don't want to mix the ammonia and the bleach. So that gives it 2 days for the bathrooms to air out from like the deep, we do clean the bathrooms every, we wipe the counters down every day, you know, all that. But like the deep cleaning bathroom stuff is only on Mondays so that we can space out when we're using the products that may or may not have bleach in them and the products that have ammonia in them. Day 4 is catch-up day. It's basically to do one final sweep of the whole house before the weekend. My focus areas are pretty much anywhere except the living room, because Friday is trash and living room. We do that on Friday because we'll come in here. The other reason why we have that kind of tablecloth on the table for Christmas is Fridays we come in here and we have pizza. It's the only night we eat dinner in front of the TV, and we have our pizza Friday and we watch movies and just have a family evening together. We usually eat dinner together at the table every week, but we call it our big family meal because it's one meal that we absolutely focus on. Everybody's eating at the table. So we try to get in here done on Friday. So Thursday is everywhere else. We get caught up on dishes. There's not a ton left. I don't even know if you can see it with the lighting. There's not a ton left that needs to be done this week. You can hear the washer running. We just call it catch-up day. So we're gonna get caught up on anything that we're behind on and get a good start for a fun weekend. Day 5 at our house is taking trash out and doing anything that requires leaving the house, and we only leave the house once a week right now. So taking trash out, going to Aldi's, restocking our pantries, taking donations off if we need to. Like I said, literally anything that requires leaving the house to take care of it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.